Wolfpack. Hope everybody had an amazing holiday season and everything like that. Yes, I'm still in my holiday dress. And do I care? No. Don't worry, I'll find another outfit later. Well, I thought I'd show you guys some of the things that I got for Christmas this year. I'm not going to show you guys everything in one video because that would be way too long of a video to make. So let me go grab some of the things I got and I'll be right back. Where's the pause button on here? Oh, found it. Okay, so first up we got this Disney Doorables blind bag. I was supposed to open this on Christmas, you guys, in my stocking, but for one, it wouldn't fit in there because I had a bunch of other stuff inside of it. And for two, I couldn't find it on Christmas Eve. So, my mistake. Alright, so enough of that. Let's get this blind bag open, and I'm only gonna open this, you guys, and show a couple of other things, but one other thing, I'm not gonna open it because I don't want this video to be too long, you guys. So yeah, be right back, you guys. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna open up this blind bag. It says that there's 50 of these to collect. This might get the special edition one. I don't know. This one kinda looks like Lumiere, or like the character from Alice in Wonderland. If you guys know, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, no, there's no like collector's guide or anything on the back, so I guess we're just gonna have to guess at what I get. So here goes nothing. Okay, so drum roll please. Okay, so let me know in the comments below if you guys think you might know what character I'm gonna get, and try to feel in the bag. I can't really tell. Oh. And we got, wait a second, I think this might be the dad from Encanto, Mirabel's dad. I forgot his name. If you guys know what Mirabel's dad's name is in Encanto, let me know in the comments below, because I honestly forgot what it is. Okay, so, I'm not going to take too long to show you guys the collector's guide, so here it is. Here, I'll try to move my phone a little bit closer to the light, guys, and yeah, so the white is common, it's purpley, like fuchsia sort of color. I'm not colorblind, you guys, it's just kind of hard to tell because like the lighting here in like my studio, or like my crafting room that I'm in, you guys, like the way that the lighting is, it's hard to tell what color it is. So this, the white is common, this like purple fuchsia color is a special edition, green is rare, blue is ultra rare, and yellow is limited edition. Now comment below which one you guys think I'm gonna get. Okay, so a little bit of a spoiler for you guys there. Okay, so we got a Toy Story collection. Honestly, I kind of don't really care about Toy Story because it's kind of boring to me, you guys. I don't know. I just don't really like it too much. Yeah, sorry for all of you Toy Story fans watching this. I'm sorry, I just don't really like the movie. It's kind of cool to get the Onward ones because I kind of like that movie, and it kind of hits home because it kind of reminds me of like my late mom a little bit, you guys. I miss her, you guys. How could you not miss a parent that's no longer here anymore? Okay, so here's the character that we got today, you guys. His name is Augustine Madrigal. If I am butchering this name, you guys, I am terribly sorry. Yes, here's all the Encanto characters. So in the Encanto set, we got young Mirabel, when she was like 5 or like 6 years old. Isabella Madrigal, Alma Madrigal, Augustine, which is the character that we got today, Felix Madrigal, and Bruno Madrigal. And no, don't ask me to sing No, We Don't Talk About Bruno song, because that is not gonna happen. I cannot stand that song, you guys. It's kind of annoying to me. And I explained why in one of my last videos, so please just don't ask me to sing it. It'd be kind of cool to get one of the Raya and the Last Dragon characters. I mean, I kind of like that movie. I don't know, I kind of like dragons when I was little, so I'll show you guys like the back side of the collector's guide. So here we got Alice in Wonderland, and then we got the walrus, Alice, of course, the dodo bird, dormouse. If I am butchering any of these names, you guys, I am sorry. I am terrible at like reading certain like people's and like characters' names from Disney. Yeah, I'm learning disabled, you guys, and I have like other mental health like conditions and like disorders and stuff, you guys. So yeah, please don't bash me. You got Rose and doorknobs. Yeah, and Princess and the Frog. Oh wait, now they're just like regular princesses on here. I'm such an idiot. They're just regular princesses. I would gladly love to get any of these because I am a huge princess fan. I was like obsessed with all of these characters, especially like Rapunzel when the animated Tangled movie first came out. I was like a Rapunzel nut. I love that movie so much because I'm very artistic myself, you guys, and yeah. Alright, enough rambling. So they get Tiana, Rapunzel, Jasmine, Cinderella, Aurora, and Belle. And we get more characters in this little set thingy. There's a Hunchback of Notre Dame. If I'm butchering that name, you guys, I am sorry. I get Esmeralda, so Quasimodo, Hugo, Phoebus. If I'm butchering the name, I'm sorry. You guys can try to tell me the right way and how to pronounce it in the comments below. Yeah, I'm gonna butcher that name, you guys. I'm sorry. Alright, you guys. Okay, so, 8-bit ones, I mean, those are kind of cute, and I would love to get any of these characters, honestly. I'm more so of, like, a classic, like, Disney movie fan than anything. So, yeah, so we get, Mickey, Minnie, Vanellope, Stitch, Tigger, Wreck-It Ralph. That's funny, I call my dad Wreck-It Ralph all the time, because he literally wrecks everything he touches. It's like a walking tornado, basically. I'm just kidding, although I'm kind of not, but I love my dad, though. But seriously, he is kind of like Wreck-It Ralph. Yeah. Get Dumbo, get Winnie the Pooh, and here's some limited edition characters. Oh, sorry, guys. My sinus is kind of burning a little bit, and my allergies kind of cleared up a little bit over the time that I was gone, so from YouTube, you guys, but it's still kind of kicking me where the sun doesn't shine a little bit, so yay. Yeah, if you guys hear me like sniffling a little bit throughout this video, I'm sorry, you guys. It's just my allergies. The pollen is probably really high today, considering it's like 60 degrees here in the United States where I live, you guys. Yeah, we're in the middle of winter and it's 60 degrees outside. How bizarre is that? It's just, well, typical Virginia weather. Oh well, it is what it is. Can't do nothing about it, except get Mother Nature some glasses, so she knows what thing season it is here. Don't mind me, I just need to find something to laugh about, you guys. I mean, the holidays are kind of hard for me. Well, at least I'm able to make myself laugh, and I inherited my mom's crazy sense of humor. Alright, back to the limited editions. And I get Princess Vanellope, and we get Fix-It Felix Jr. Yay! And we're back to the front page, you guys. There's a common is white, special edition is like purple or fuchsia. Rare is green, yellow is limited edition, and ultra rare is blue. So let's see what color the character is that we got today. So it figures we got a common. So, oh well, it is what it is. But at least we got something at least a little halfway decent. I mean, I would have gladly have loved to get one of the princesses, but again, that's just me. So. Alright, let's transition over into the other stuff, and I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, guys, and I'm back. So, here's a few more things I got for Christmas, you guys. Yes, I got the, collectors, Wednesday Addams, Monster High doll, the, Enid Sinclair collector's Monster High doll, and the, Barbie Ballet Wishes doll. So, I've been looking everywhere for that doll, you guys, and yeah, actually, was able to, get lucky and find these two, in the stores, you guys, at my local Kohl's. So, yeah. Those are a few other things I got for Christmas, you guys, and yeah, I thought it'd be kind of fun to, like, tilt her head to the side and make her look kind of creepy a little bit, and, like, position her hand and make it look like she's snapping her fingers, you know, like the typical, like, Addams Family, like, snapping sort of, like, motion, although I can't really, like, snap too good right now, you guys. Keep your top on. Don't need you flashing anybody. Okay, let's get these girls out of the way. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to show for today is this. It's MGA Miniverse, Make It Mini from scratch. So it looks like you get, like, pancakes or, like, eggs or something like that, like a cake or whatever, and, I'm getting ready to drop this because I'm super clumsy. Yeah, it looks like we get pancakes, rolls, and spaghetti. I really kind of want the spaghetti. Well, I kind of want all of these, especially the spaghetti, because, you guys, in real life, I really do, like, love eating, like, pasta and stuff, like, all the time. And, yeah, considering that my family is, like, 90% European, half of my family, so, is Italian, so, yeah. Wonder why I love pasta so much, and eat it literally all the time. So, except for when we sadly run out, so, because I eat all of it. Don't judge me. Alright, well, you guys, if you guys like this little, mini, Christmas, what I got for Christmas, journey here, from the dolls, Disney Doorables, to MGA's Miniverse. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and if you guys want to see part 2 of what I got for Christmas video as part of the very last episode of 25 Days of Vlogmas, episode 25. It would be a 2-parter episode. This is part 1. And after New Year's, yes, after New Year's, I'm going back to my regular schedule, you guys, every other week. So Wednesdays and Thursdays around like 7:30, 8 p.m. Eastern time is the usual time I upload my videos here on my YouTube channel, you guys. Because uploading every single day for like nearly 25 days straight is very draining, and it's very like a very bad schedule for like my health and everything. And yeah, plus my dad wasn't too very happy with that kind of schedule. It was me like sleeping for like almost all day long and then getting up I get hours so like before I film the new video for you guys. So yeah, I'm not doing that again. So yeah, but anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, please help me get to 50 subscribers before the new year, you guys. That would be a huge like Christmas like present from you guys to me, and it would just be a huge help for my channel. And yeah, and if you guys want to see episode 2 of this video, yeah, so subscribe to the channel and follow me on my socials. I'll have those linked in the description below, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be in the second week of January, in 2026. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys literally next year in 2026. And yeah, well, enough rambling here. So I hope you guys have had a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys have an amazing and wonderful New Year. Happy 2026 to all of you watching. I appreciate you guys watching my channel and all my videos and everything, and support my channel. Alright, let me shut up now, and I'll see you guys in the next year and in my new video. Bye!